We've already discussed the input settings for the channel, like the preamp gain level and the assign button and the phantom power switch, but we can also access the EQ for each channel, which includes 4 bands of EQ and a high-pass filter, which will remove energy below a specified frequency, as illustrated on the graph. The human voice doesn't have much energy in the lowest frequencies anyway, so engaging the high-pass filter allows us to clean up low frequencies without impacting the tone of the vocal itself. This can be especially useful in live sound when microphone feedback at lower frequencies is a common obstacle. So let's listen to this. I'll unmute the channel. Here's without the HPF, the high-pass filter. Here's with. And even if I bring it up, exactly what you're thinking. Here it starts to thin out the vocal, so I'll just back it off a bit. You got it figured out there, nobody. Okay, I'll mute that. And the same goes for the acoustic guitar on channel 2. Let's continue on to the Dynamics 1 section of each channel. This here includes either a gate or a ducking circuit. Gates can be great for drums as they reduce the overall level of the channel when the input level drops below a certain point. And a ducker can be useful for many things, including background music. Say you want the background music level to automatically be reduced when someone makes a signal level on a different channel, such as the announcer microphone channel. The setup of these tools could probably be a dedicated video, so let's move on to the Dynamics 2 section, which includes a compressor. A compressor can be used in many different ways. One thing you can do with a compressor is smooth out the dynamic range of a performance, reducing the difference between the loud parts and the quiet parts by turning the loud parts down and then boosting everything back up with makeup gain. And when you use compression, it generates harmonic distortion, which can be useful for adding warmth and character to a sound. Finally, we get to the pan knob here. And this helps us place the input channel between a left and right speaker to give dimension and depth to a mix. You just press the pan button here and then use the touch and turn knob to adjust it. Panning can be used to place a signal in a stereo field, which can be useful for creating space and dimension in your mix. If you're interested in learning more about how to use these tools for mixing, check out the Audio University membership using the link below. We've got courses that are taught by real professors from universities around the world, including the Mixing Essentials course, which will teach you how to use EQ, compression, delay, and reverb to make professional sounding mixes for live sound or studio recordings.